Alright, so I need to get these shingles out here. You recording?
Yep.
Okay. Two layers, so I got to get the shingle that is same
I'm sliding.
color.
I'm sliding.
It's fine, you're fine, just put your weight on your shoes. Alright, you videotaping everything?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Yep, that's it. Okay, so I did this repair, and as you can see, it's already creasing here. This is the closest color that I can get to it, which is not, I mean, it's off, but this is 2 layers, and there's no way to repair this roof. It's burnt up, there's no ventilation, but as you can see, there are creases from just doing this repair here, and you can see them. You can see the aggregate and everything else falling off of it. And so I'm going to show you the front part of this roof. We're going to take a walk up here. Walk on your toes. But as you can see, there are spots on the front where you can see that it is 2 layers, and when we start tearing this in, you can already see where the crease is above these shingles. I mean, it's non-repairable. We're going to do more damage to this roof doing the repair than we are fixing the shingles. So, but it's also on this other side as well. You can see it here as well. I mean, it's everything down to the second layer. It's multiple layers, just non-repairable. Plus the color is not going to match. It's going to look like a checkerboard roof. There's more shingles there that's damaged. I mean, there's shingles all over this thing that's damaged. There's another one. They're just sporadic over here. Hopefully this video does everything you need it to do. Thank you so much. I'm going to get an overview of the area we just fixed, which is right here. That's on the video. Again, you can see where it's starting to crease there by just, and you can see that I didn't lift those shingles up very much. 30 degrees, and they were already creasing. Anyway, you have a great day. My estimate should be in there as well. I'm gonna send this video to you. Hopefully we can get this thing going. Thank you so much. Have a great day.